Should be good. No choke. Pretty cold-blooded. All right, looks like lift is pretty well lined up. Oh yeah, we're looking good. Straighten out the wheels. So I did get front brake shoes. I didn't get a hardware kit. We're gonna see what it looks like. I got wheel cylinders for all four corners, brake lines, one in the back, two in the front. So we'll be playing some brake line roulette here, see how many we can save. If not, we'll make new ones, but brakes got to get done. Let's probably just start with the front, which is going to be the hardest, and we'll go to the back. And we'll probably shine up these wheels and get them a coat of wax while we're having them off. It's easier to clean them with them off. Still have any more of the tips off those things yet. So this is the side that is blown and leaking. So I guess we'll start there. So we're probably gonna need to pack bearings, all the stuff. I would like to put a set of shocks on the thing. And I do have a set of A-body lowering springs. I mean, if we're gonna do it, now's the time to do it. We might see how close those are and do it. And either that or we'll heat them and just let them collapse a little bit. Maybe do the bottom ring or something. I think it'd look a lot better with a little bit of a drop to it. 2 inches I think would be perfect.
All right, here we're gonna just tear this drum and all the brakes apart, clean up what we have. At this point we think we got shoes that are the right size. They're not. I had to take them back and then we were waiting for parts, so this didn't go right back together.
Alright guys, so finally got the parts for the C10 and the brakes. We're gonna put all that stuff back together, but since I had to pull the wheels off, I figured it's a good time that we SOS it real good, because kind of by the lug nuts they're seeing a little bit of rust, so we'll get those cleaned up and then we can wax them before we put them on the truck and leave them on there, and they should be good for the summer. So I'm gonna start that right now. All right, the second set all shined up, or I guess SOS'd up. Get them in the shop, get them drying, and then we'll put some wax on them, and they should be good and protected for the year.
Okay, now that we have parts, we're gonna slam brakes back together with new wheel cylinders. We're changing the front lines. We haven't did the rear yet. You'll see that. And in the background up here, my dad's shining up and polishing the wheels with some wax. So shout out, thanks to him for all the help, and we'll let you guys watch through this. Again, if you want to see it, we can really do an up close thing if that's something somebody wants to see, but just let us know. Thanks.
Okay, front brakes on the passenger side is done. Gonna jump over and do the bearings on the the driver's side. Do the brakes. This one, the hub came out with the drum. That one, it came separate, so we'll do the bearings first, get those out of the way over there. I guess, maybe not. Maybe we'll do the brakes first. Then we'll put both the bearings together, if the bearings are good. We'll be back when they're done. All right, brakes finished on the driver's side. We're gonna put the bearings on, and then we'll have to adjust the brakes up. And we'll paint the drums. We're gonna grease the front end, and we still have the back brake line to replace.
All right, here we are changing out that rear brake soft line, and the hard line was pretty crusty and rounded off. Looks like the hose has been replaced before, but we got it replaced and tightened. No leaks.
All right, guys, I think that's it for this episode. Brakes are done. We still got some license plate and license plate light, dome light to do. I do have new tail lights for the back we're going to switch on, but we will get to that on another episode. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll appreciate it. See you guys next time.